Mastering decimals. A closer look at comparing decimals. Hello, English learners. Today, we'll dive into the fascinating world of numbers. Specifically, we're going to focus on comparing decimals with the same number of decimal places. By the end of this video, you'll be a pro at identifying which decimal is larger, smaller, or if they're equal. So let's jump right in. Let's start with the basics. A decimal number is a number that includes a decimal point. This decimal point separates the whole number part from the fractional part. For example, the number 2.35 has a whole number part of 2 and a fractional part of 35. The important thing to remember here is that each place after the decimal represents a fraction of a whole. Now, let's talk about comparing decimals with the same number of decimal places. This is fairly straightforward. We'll start comparing from the leftmost, or the highest, place. The first decimal with a higher value in any place is the larger number. For example, if we compare 0.35 and 0.45, we start by comparing 3 from 0.35 with 4 from 0.45. As 4 is larger than 3, we can say that 0.45 is larger than 0.35. Now, let's try some examples together to really cement your understanding. Comparing 0.21 and 0.12. Starting from the left, we compare 2 from 0.21 with 1 from 0.12. Since 2 is greater than 1, 0.21 is greater than 0.12. Comparing 0.67 and 0.76. Here, both numbers start with 7, but the next digit for 0.67 is 6, and for 0.76 it's 7. Since 7 is greater than 6, 0.76 is greater than 0.67. That's it for today's lesson. We hope you found this video on comparing decimals with the same number of decimal places helpful. With consistent practice, you'll get the hang of it in no time. Remember, numbers are your friends, so don't hesitate to spend time with them. See you in our next video where we'll continue exploring the exciting world of numbers in English. Happy learning!